Today we're going to look at the Venger pocket grip, initially known as mini grip, which was introduced in 1995. It has huge pliers and a built-in hex bit driver. And it's really sad it's discontinued. The problem with my pocket grip is that it doesn't have the original hex bit driver. It has been lost along the way over the years, as the one you can see in the bottom here. So I had to produce a new one, and that is the result you can see here. So in this video I will show you how I did that. So I need to cut off a part of this bit so that it fits inside the pocket grip here in this slot. So it's fairly easy actually. I've marked where to cut. It's a bit hard to see now. Mark here. Use an angle grinder if you have one, and then I'll just cut this. Now it's really hot, so I don't want to touch it, basically, but I think I can hold it onto this part. Yeah, it's a bit warm. And now I need to make the edges round. So for that purpose I can just hold onto it with this pincer here instead. And then I just shave off a bit of the edges here. And then I also need to shave off a piece of the side here so that it can close. So I put it back here. That should do the trick actually. And just grind it all around. It looks much better then. So yeah, I would just go around it. That is the result. I have two of these bits, and both of them fit onto this Venger pocket grip. Since this tool is discontinued, you cannot buy spare parts for it. I tried to reach out to Victorinox, but they just didn't answer. You need to purchase these inch bits and take the 1/4 bit and shape it like I've done. And then you have a replacement part for your Venger pocket grip. And while you're at it, just make two straight away. It almost looks like the original part. And if you want to have this shaved, this machined appearance all around, you can just angle grind it on these sides as well. But now it's done. So just open, close this one, and attach it here. And then you can use this as a driver. Really great tool actually. And look at this. Inside this Venger pocket grip there are actually bits stored here. So these are the bits you always carry with you inside the tool. I'm thinking this might actually even beat the Deluxe Tinker.
I'll do a comparison later for you. The only thing it lacks is the scissors. But on the other hand, it has a saw, and it also has a metal saw or file. And a really nice blade with a nice drop form shape. Maybe I'll try to lock that blade as well. What more does it have? It has an awl. And it has the opening layer, the Venger opening layer. It packs so many tools in this small size. And these pliers are amazing, and look at the quality of them. It has a really great feeling in your hand. And you close it by doing like so. And this is the original case it came with. I purchased it second-hand, but this was the case, or the cover it was delivered with back in the 90s.
Just as I was doing this, the washing machine decided to break and I had to purchase a new one. So I decided to give it a try and see what it could do. And I was actually very satisfied with the result, and I'm really fond of this tool right now. These transport safety plugs need to be removed when you buy a new machine, and they are very firm, so this test is a really good test to see how much this tool actually holds up for. And as I always carry the Leatherman ratchet driver inside my phone case, this job became much faster than otherwise. This rubber damper needs to be removed as well, and it was completely stuck inside the holder, so I needed to use much force to get it out, and the pliers of the pocket grip were perfect for that job.